Well, InstallerNet is here exhibiting as part of the show, and many you can see our sign right over across there.
Ah, yeah.
Besides being heavily involved in the Mobile Electronics Association from several different ways, this becomes a key event for us to be able to communicate to our network of professional installers, especially in the automotive side of our business.
And that's one of the key things that we are hearing from all the exhibitors here at KnowledgeFest. It's their 25th year as our 24th year on the air. I can already tell you if they'll have us back, we'll do many more KnowledgeFests, because this is all about Into Tomorrow. Do come to the website intotomorrow.com and see the full interview with Tony and all the other videos from KnowledgeFest in Dallas.